god, I'm vlogging. This is Rubes. Oh my god. Hold on, you can't say, you have to say his handle.
Fuck you, Ducati NYC.
Ah! No, he didn't. Shots fired. We're gonna head to Two Wheel Tuesday now. Craziness ensues. Am I vlogging? Yes, I am. So, this is my buddy, Rubesicon, Rubes Zarullo, with his lovely custom scrambler. And we're being hooligans. We're heading to Two Wheel Tuesday, as we do on Tuesdays. Look at that beautiful, beautiful machine. Anyways, so I hope my audio was working before, but I don't think it was. So here we go. We're going to Two Wheel Tuesday. This is my buddy Rubes on his Triumph Scrambler. It is a custom scrambler. He did everything himself. He put on the new suspension. He did everything to make it a proper scrambler himself. So that did not come out of the showroom looking like that. He did everything his damn self. And he is a beautiful human being. Like an absolute, just lovely, gorgeous man. Just look at that. Look at that man meat right there. As you can tell, he's my boy. I love him. Love him to death. I actually work with him a little bit, doing a little project with him. And while we're not working, we ride around and we be naughty boys together. Just like this. Don't do as we do, but don't be afraid to have fun. Anywho, okay, so we're gonna get going on this Two Wheel Tuesday. Looks like some people are already here. Lovely sauce, lovely beans, lovely, lovely, lovely. How's it going, man?
Good, man. How are you?
How are you?
Nursing a shoulder injury.
Oh no, from racing?
Nah, I fell off my skateboard.
Yeah, okay. All right, guys, I'll check in with you in a little bit.
Hey, we're here at Two Wheel Tuesday. Oh my god.
Who are you? What do you ride?
A bicycle.
You ride a bicycle?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is it a nice bicycle?
Nice bicycle.
Yeah?
It's a motorized bicycle.
Oh, motorized. So it's a motorcycle.
You can call it that.
Oh, okay. Good. What do you ride?
My dog.
All right, we're having fun. Give me that belly. Give me that belly. Give me that belly.
Let alone any of my fucking new cars. No. I already have the fastest car.
This is what we do in Brooklyn, man. Every Tuesday we get together at a local garage and or bar. This one just happens to be at a bar called 18th Ward. All right, we're gonna head home to Dirty Billy Garage. Here we go. And we're off.
The motherfucking ruckus.
He said we're causing a motherfucking ruckus. Are we? I don't know. I don't know. Are we causing a ruckus?
We're causing some motherfucking ruckus.
Oh, he's fast. Ooh, okay. I'm gonna slow down. Alright. I'll let him do his thing up front. So now we are heading back to Dirty Billy Garage. And we are maybe gonna have two more beers. Oh, jeez. That was a bump. That was definitely a bump. What was I saying? I don't remember. Okay. Well, we're just going back to Dirty Billy Garage. And we're going to have 1 or 2 more beers and blah, 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 blah. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you. I love you. And I'll see you guys on the next vlog. Y'all have a good night.